In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight blank cells in Excel. By the end, you'll be able to quickly spot missing entries in any range, which is especially helpful for data cleanup, checklists, or reports that must be complete. Start by selecting the cells you want Excel to scan for blanks. Click and drag across a range, select an entire column if that's where your data lives, or use your usual selection method. It's best to choose only the area you actually need, so the highlighting focuses on the right part of your sheet and doesn't distract from other data. With the range selected, go to the Home tab and open Conditional Formatting. This feature tells Excel to automatically apply a visual style when a condition is met, in this case, when a cell is blank. From the Conditional Formatting menu, choose New Rule. This creates a fresh instruction. Excel will follow for your selected cells. In the new Formatting Rule window, pick the option that says Format only cells that contain. This narrows the rule to cells that meet a specific condition. In the Rule Description area, change the condition to blanks. This tells Excel to check each cell in your selected range and look for empty ones only. Next, click the Format button to decide how those blank cells should look. In the Format Cells dialog, choose a fill color that's easy to see but not too overpowering. Something like a pale yellow or light gray typically works well. You can also adjust font color or add a border if that helps visibility, but a simple fill is usually enough to make blanks stand out at a glance. Click OK to confirm your formatting choice. Back in the Rule window, click OK again to apply the rule to your selection. Instantly, any truly empty cells in that range will be highlighted with the color you chose. If you don't see the result you expect, remember that cells with spaces or certain kinds of entries might not count as blank. Also, make sure you selected the correct range before applying the rule. As you keep working, any new blanks that appear in that selected area will automatically highlight, and any cells you fill with data will lose the highlight, which keeps your sheet up to date. If you ever need to adjust the color or refine the behavior later, you can return to conditional formatting and tweak the rule without starting over. That's it. An efficient, reliable way to highlight blank cells in Excel so you can fix gaps faster and keep your data clean.